Hello chaps, and welcome back to Tino Detailing. Today we have this Jaguar F-Type R, which is covered in water spots, which have etched into the paintwork. In addition to the watermarks, the Jaguar is also covered in swirl marks, holograms and other imperfections. So follow along, guys, you'll see exactly how we take care of it. To start off, I like to clean the wheels first, taking care of them one by one. After allowing the wheel and tyre cleaners to dwell on the wheel, I pressure wash it, making sure to get every inch. Let's now clean those wheels up with some brushes and a mitt. Check this engine out. So chaps, because we're going to be performing a paint correction on this Jaguar, the paintwork needs to be as clean as possible so that the machine polisher is not grinding contamination around the paintwork. So I now cover the whole car in iron fallout remover in order to dissolve the iron contamination from the surface of the car. I apply the snow foam on top. This allows for a good pre-wash and also helps the iron remover work its magic, as it allows for a longer dwell time. Let's now pressure wash the Jaguar. This iron fallout which we are removing usually comes from car brakes, railroads and even nearby factories. Removing the iron fallout from the car is essential, as not only does it give the paintwork a rough feel, it can also cause corrosion. Before performing the contact stage of the wash, I spray tar and glue remover onto the car. This loosens and dissolves those dark brown tar spots along the side of the car. I again foam up the car before performing the hand wash. This snow foam allows me to clean those tar spots with my mitts without the tar and glue remover having an effect on the shampoo in the mitts. The foam also allows me to deep clean the roof using a soft bristle brush. A Tino Detailing brush is used for the nooks and crannies. I take care of the lower portions of the car to complete the stage of the detail. Let's now rinse off the car. Be sure to give this video a like if you've been enjoying it. Now chaps, the car may look clean, but there are still contaminants which have bonded onto the paintwork, giving it a rough feel. To remove this, I need to clay the car, so I use snow foam as a lubricant to the Tino clay towel. Using the Tino clay towel has an extreme number of benefits over a traditional clay bar. Firstly, it reduces up to 99% of marring due to its advanced design, which draws the contamination away from the paintwork. Secondly, you can reuse it on up to 50 cars, and if you drop it, you do not need to throw it away. A thorough rinse will be enough to clean it and use it again. And lastly, the larger surface area allows me to clay cars at around 4 times faster than with a normal clay bar. Be sure to purchase a Tino clay towel for your detailing needs. Time for the final rinse off. I now dry the car with my microfiber drying towel. I blow out the water from any hard to reach areas. I then clean the glass using glass cleaner and a glass cloth. Time to clean up the door shuts. Okay chaps, so we've just cleaned and decontaminated the whole car. Now we're going to machine polish it to remove any imperfections and any hard water spots. I now begin to machine polish the car. I use a Tino buffing cloth to remove the polish and inspect the work. As you can see, all of the visual imperfections have been removed. When polishing a car, what you are doing is leveling the surface of the paintwork, allowing for light to have a clear and precise reflection, which is what makes a car shine. This video has been sponsored by Turbo Watches, which have been inspired by your favorite cars. You have a wide range of watches to choose from, such as M Sport, AMG, RS. So be sure to check them out at turbowatches.shop. The link is in the description below. You will not be disappointed. A top tip would be to regularly clean out your pad, and also if you are outdoors, air blow a panel to remove any dust before working on it. A smaller machine polisher is used for the more intricate areas of the car. subscribe for more videos like this. Here are the results of the polishing. As you can see, a perfect finish has been achieved. This Jaguar looks like a mirror. But we want to keep the car locked into this condition and protect it from the elements. To do this, we use a ceramic coating, but first I use IPA to remove any of the polishing oils, which can stop the ceramic coating from properly bonding to the paintwork. I now ceramic coat the paintwork, leaving it on for a couple minutes before leveling it out gently with a microfiber cloth. The glass is also coated to protect the glass and repel rain. This pro-grade coating should last the customer for around a year to 2 years. The wheels are also coated and the tires have been shined too. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just finished. Check out the results. Look at that awesome shine. This Jaguar looks brand new. I must say I'm very pleased with the finish. Thanks for watching, chaps. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and here are 2 more videos I think you would like.